Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this colorful drag marble nail design. So I'm going to use this white by Sinful Colors called Snowy White, this Holo by Color Club called Don't Harp on It, this blue by Finger Paints called Blue U Bamboo, this mint green by Salon Perfect called In Mint Condition, and this pink by LA Colors called Pink Bubbles. A lot of polishes. So I'm going to apply a thick coat of white polish. Now you can do two coats, but I want to show you a quick and more simpler shortcut way of doing drag marble. So make sure the polish is really thick. And then I'm just going to add drops of the different colors. I wanted this to be a really colorful drag marble design. I wanted it to be simple and easy. I'm going to go a little bit more intricate next time with it, but I just wanted to show you that it's pretty easy to do a drag marble design. Now I'm just going to go back and forth with this is a water marbling tool. I always use my water marbling tool. If you watch my other drag marbles, I always say that. But you can use a thin nail brush, a long thin one. It'll do the job just as well. Now I'm going to pull off some of the polish, and that's just to help the polish dry a little faster and stretch out the design. And then I just wanted to add some dots. You don't have to add the dots. I just thought the dots just kind of covered up some of the white. I didn't want all the white to be showing. So I added some dots of pink and holo. I love the holo. I just thought the holo just gives it a nice look to the design. But you can use any colors that you want. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.